air fryer corned beef hash. Hello, and it's Sam here from recipethis.com, and with it being Irish weekend, with it being St Paddy's Day tomorrow, I thought it would be a great opportunity to show you our new corned beef hash recipe that's a sneak peek into what's going on in our second air fryer cookbook, which is called Air Fryer Easy Every Day. But first, do tell me, what do you call this Sunday? It's to me it'll always be St Paddy's Day because that's what my grandma always called it, but I know a lot of people in the US call it St Patty's Day, and I know the formal way is St Patrick's Day, and I know some people just call it Irish Day, and then I know the Irish American crowd absolutely love the corned beef on St Paddy's Day. So do tell me what you call it. So I just wanted to make a simple corned beef hash in the air fryer, and of course giving you a sneak peek. So we're in the editing process of our second book at this moment, so I've kind of got the little pieces of paper with the recipes on and whatnot, and I'm just checking for further edits, and it goes to the printers in about a month's time. So what Dom has done is he's very kindly cubed me some potatoes and carrots. He's also diced me some onion. That's a full can of corned beef. And then, of course, for seasonings, we've got salt, pepper, some mixed herbs. And then, as well as that, olive oil. And then, are you a beans person? A lot of people absolutely love their beans with the corned beef hash, whilst others love them with fried eggs. So we're having ours with baked beans. So start off with your bowl. There's about 4 medium potatoes there to about 2 large carrots chopped up, and of course if your slices are too big they will take longer in the air fryer. So add in a load of salt and pepper, and then mixed herbs. Depends how much seasoning you like. Oh, if you're in the US, Italian seasoning is perfect for this. And then for the olive oil, you can measure it to perfection if you prefer. Sometimes I just like throwing it in, it's easier and all. But a tablespoon of olive oil will be perfect. And then give it all a lovely mix with your hands. Give it a good mix with your hands, and then that's how it should look. You want lots of herbs going on there. And then I'm going to move things out the way, and then I can get the air fryer on. Just a quick wipe of the hands first. That oil, it's brilliant to oil your potatoes with your hands, because it really does get the potatoes well coated and adds to a much better crisp in the air fryer. But you know, it's the cleaning up job, isn't it? So I'm using my Philips air fryer here. If you're using a dual, what we recommend you do is you spread the mixture between 2 drawers, because otherwise you'll end up with one that's over full. So spread them out, and then look, you can just see them there. There's a good mixture there. And then turn on your air fryer, and then you're looking for a temperature of 180 Celsius. That's 360 Fahrenheit if you work in Fahrenheit. And let's go with a cook time of 20 minutes, and then we can come back and check on them. And we've beeped. So let's check on these potatoes and carrots. And wow, don't they look fantastic already? So now what I recommend you do, either a wooden spoon, this is our old trusty one, you can tell by the state of it, or some silicone, because you don't want something that'll stick to the air fryer basket. And then just give it, move about, or if you prefer, go with the trusted shake. And then once you've shook the air fryer, we're just adding in the onions at this point. We didn't add them in sooner because they'd just gone too dark with this kind of cook time. So then just shake the air fryer again, and then we're going back on now with 180 Celsius again, and we'll go in with 8 minutes and then press start. And we've beeped, and wow, what the carrots, potatoes and onions look like now. Don't they look fantastic? Give them a quick shake. And now let's add in the corned beef. So like I said, that's a full can of corned beef. Just pop it in there. And then, are you like me? Do you like your corned beef to have some colour to it? Do you like it nice and crispy? If you're not really bothered for it nice and crispy and you just want it warming up, then I would recommend instead waiting for another 5 minutes before adding it. And now what we're going to do is we're going to just create a gap in here. And this is where you're going to put your beans. So I've got my beans already ready to go for the air fryer, just in a little ramekin, and then you can put them in the middle there. Or if you're using the jewel, you can just put it at one end of one of the drawers, it's fine. Or if you like a lot of beans, you can do 2 ramekins. We've done 2 ramekins in the book. And then of course I also check around this time to see if the potatoes are fork tender, and they are perfect. What about the carrots? Yep, those carrots are fork tender as well. So we're all ready now. So it's just going back on now for another 8 minutes, and then it should be done. So another 8 minutes, 180 Celsius, 360 Fahrenheit, and then press start. And we've beefed. So let's check on it, shall we? And wow, look at that corned beef hash. Doesn't it look brilliant? Grab yourself a spoon and then give your beans a quick mix. And now you've got piping hot beans, you've got your full corned beef hash there, and it's just perfect for dinner time. I mean, doesn't that look fantastic? Let me show you close up. I mean, that is lovely. And no matter what you call it, happy St Paddy's Day from us here at recipethis.com, and check back with us tomorrow because we have a real treat in store for you tomorrow. Don't forget to check out the complete air fryer cookbook, made from 10 years of air frying experience with lots and lots of air fry beginner recipes. 140 recipes are included, and they're just so easy to follow, with plenty of step-by-step instructions for all the key recipes, so that you can become a master of your air fry. I know you'll love it, and it's just £10 on Amazon. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our newsletter at recipethis.com/newsletter, as well as following us on Pinterest and Facebook and joining our Facebook group. We are also on TikTok now, so don't forget to follow us at TikTok /recipethis.